the heck? No one even showed up to work today. I'm the only one here. Someone's gonna... What are you guys doing? You need to get to the office. It's 8 o'clock. We gotta go clean. All right, where is everybody? I don't see any, there's no one at the office. I'm gonna have to go clean myself.
Hey Claudia, what's up? Yeah, well, it happens. Thanks for taking care of it. Thanks for following the system.
Hello, Mr. Customer. Yes. Yes, we're supposed to be there right now. Okay. All right, get the teams in there. What? They're locked out? No. All right, let me get it. I'll send another team with the brush. All right. Hey, what's going on? They're what? They're not showing up at the houses? Well, you need to tell them to show up at the houses. We can't clean houses if they're not showing up to the houses. What do you mean they're not showing up? They're at McDonald's? For how long have they been at McDonald's? This is ridiculous. Claudia, you need to tell them to get to the next house. Yeah. What? They called in sick again? Ah, gosh. Well, find someone else to come in.
One of these.
Yep.
So dramatic.
Yes, this is the cleaning company. What? You're saying that our team stole something from your house? No, we did not do it. I'm telling you that we don't do that kind of stuff. And no. Let me set the record straight, ma'am. We are not taking any responsibility for any of this because we didn't steal anything. In fact, if you go ahead and leave me a 1-star review and I'll just... All right. Get a little dust on here.
Thank you.
Get
Thank you.
Get a little on your brim. Whoa. Yep. How can I help you? Let me look. Nope, I don't have any openings till next March, but I can get you in then if that helps. Yep, we use real high quality stuff, and we're really organized. I promise we'll show up on time. Yep, we've got teams of 3, and sometimes I'll show up and do stuff too, but yep. All right, we'll call back in March. I'm sure we'll be here. All right, thanks, ma'am. Talk to you later. Cheers and a high five.
Yeah! I made a face!
Yes, what's going on now? You can't get into the house again? Well, why? There's dogs barking. Well, just go in the house. Just knock the door down. I don't even care. I'll pay for the dog bites, okay? I'll pay for the vet bill too. Yes, or just, I don't care. Tell Maria to just dive through the window. You want to get in the house. Just get in the house. We got to clean the house. Okay.
Don't shoot me in the face.
This is the office. Yes. You are one of our customers, yes. And you need what done? You need your Picasso dusted. With a special, you can't use our feather duster. Okay, and you need a special lacquer put on the canvas as well. Okay. And what? I have to use a special squeegee in your shower too? Okay. I don't even have time for this.
Oh God! It did hit you in the nuts. Sorry. It was an accidental shot. Nothing's gonna be funnier than that time I hit Brandon in the nuts. I think I'm out of darts.